Hi boss, it's Tobias here, your EBIKE expert, ready to make your bike awesome.
Now, let's assemble the upper part of the bicycle. First, adjust the seat to the appropriate height and secure it. Next, use zip ties to fix the brake cables from the old frame onto the bike. And trim the excess ties to keep it neat. Then, we install the dashboard. Adjust it to the proper angle and reinforce it, securing the dashboard controller on the left side. After that, we remove the handlebars to install the throttle, also known as the twist grip shifter, which connects to the controller. So far, everything is assembled except for the controller and the power source.
That is magic, boss.